Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day.
Today, I want to share my journey with bandwidth sharing passive income sources and the returns I have achieved so far. If you are looking to earn some extra cash effortlessly, stick around. I have been using these passive income apps for about a year now. Although I started using each app at different times throughout the past year, I wanted to see how much I have earned from each one. Today, I will share my earnings and experiences with you. Now, before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and bookmark my website for the latest updates on passive income ideas. Let us dive right in. Shall we? I have been using around 12 passive income apps simultaneously. While they operate at different speeds, I have found that together, they generate a substantial passive income. Here is how much I have earned over the past year using these applications. In total, I have earned over $630 in less than a year doing nothing. Keep in mind that I started using these apps at different times, so it is not a direct comparison of their earning potential. However, I can confidently say that the top 7 most profitable ones are Honeygain, Salad, Packet Share, EarnApp, Proxirac, PacketStream, and Pawns. I've included links for each of these apps in the video description. If you haven't started your passive income journey yet, now is the perfect time. I'll soon be doing weekly and monthly growth rate comparisons for these apps, so stay tuned. Don't miss out on these updates and see which apps perform the best over time. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. You can also bookmark my website, the link for which is provided in the video description. See you in the next one soon.